Problem: Google Pixel 3 XL won't fast charge. Users have reported that sometimes their device stops. This is the case from on a Pixel 3 XL user. I purchased Google Pixel 3 XL last month from Flip-kart and I updated it to Android Pie, but my phone charge very slow. Please help to get out from this problem. Solution: troubleshooting fast charging issue on your Google Pixel 3 XL is not direct and requires patience. Here are the troubleshooting steps that you need to do. 1. Force reboot. Refreshing the system by doing a simple restart can sometimes fix bugs. If you haven't tried restarting the device yet, we suggest that you do so. Basically, what you want to do is simulate the effects of pulling out the battery to restart the device. Since your Google Pixel 3 XL has a non-removable battery pack, all you can do is to perform a combination of hardware buttons. Just press and hold the power button for about 10 to 20 seconds. Once the phone restarts, use the phone as normal and check if fast charging is now working. 2. Use another charging accessory like the main device itself. Charging accessories, particularly the charging cable, can go bad suddenly. The USB cable that comes with your device consists of tiny wires that can easily break. The more wires are disconnected inside, the lower the energy that gets transferred from the adapter to the phone during charging. This can lead to the loss of fast charging capability and eventually, the cable becomes unusable. To see if you have a charging accessory issue, try using another known working cable and adapter from Google. If you have a family member with a Google cable and adapter, try to borrow them and see if the phone fast charge again. Alternatively, you can visit your local Google shop and borrow the cable and adapter to charge. If necessary, try to buy a new original set of charging accessories. 3. Install app and Android updates. Sometimes, coding bugs may prevent regular functionalities like charging or fast charging from working correctly. Make sure that your Android runs the latest firmware version available to minimize bugs. The same goes true for apps. Keeping all apps up to date is a good way to lessen the chance of bugs from developing. 4. Check the charging port. Fast charging on Pixel 3 devices may not work if there's dirt, damage, or liquid in the charging port. If there's no visible damage to the port, or if the phone was not exposed to water, you can check for foreign objects or dirt. If possible, try to use a magnifying tool to inspect the port. If there's dirt that you can see, this may be the reason why charging does not work properly. Use a can of compressed air to take anything that doesn't belong in the charging port. Do not stick anything in the port to avoid damaging the system. The only thing that you must do when it comes to the charging port is to clean it. If you suspect that the charging port is damaged, you must let a professional fix it for you. 5. Reset app preferences. Some apps and services require other default or system apps in order to do their tasks. The same is true for fast charging. There may be some system changes that disabled needed defaults apps for fast charging. To ensure that all default apps are on, follow the steps below. Point 1. Stone. Go to Settings, 2nd Apps and Notifications. 3rd Tap See All Apps. If See All Apps is not available, tap App Info. 4th Tap on 3 vertical dots from top of the right side corner. 5th Tap on Reset App Preferences. And lastly confirm by tapping on Reset Apps. Observe on safe mode. Sometimes, coding changes or incompatibility may lead some apps to cause problems with other apps or Android. To check if you have a third-party app issue, boot your Pixel 3 XL to safe mode and see what happens. Follow the steps below to boot the device to safe mode. First, press and hold the power button. Second, on your screen, touch and hold power off and tap OK. Lastly, after you see safe mode at the bottom of your screen, wait to see if the problem goes away. Remember, safe mode blocks third-party or downloaded apps. If the problem goes away in safe mode, you can bet one of the apps is to blame. To identify which of your downloaded apps is causing the problem, first exit safe mode by restarting your device and check for the problem. Second, if the problem returns, boot to safe mode again and uninstall an app. Start with the most recently downloaded one. Third, after each removal, restart your device and see whether removing it solved the problem, then repeat steps 1 and 2 until you've identified the culprit. Lastly, after you remove the app that's causing the problem, you can reinstall the other apps that you removed. 6. Calibrate the battery. Sometimes, Android may lose track of the actual battery levels. To recalibrate the operating system so that it gets accurate battery level readings, do the following. First, drain the battery completely. This means using your device until it powers down by its own and the battery level reads 0%. Second, charge the phone until it reaches 100%. Be sure to use original charging equipment for your device and let it charge up completely. Do not unplug your device for at least 2 more hours, and also don't use it while charging. After the elapsed time, unplug your device. Third, restart the device and use your phone until it completely runs out of power again. Lastly, repeat steps 1 to 5. 7. Factory reset. If the cause is software related, wiping your phone through factory reset may work. To factory reset your Google Pixel 3 XL. First, create a backup of your personal data. Second, turn off your Google Pixel 3 XL. Third, press and hold the power plus volume down buttons until bootloader mode, image of an Android with start above it, appears, then release. Fourth, select recovery mode. You can use the volume buttons to cycle through the available options and the power button to select. The device will flash the Google Start screen momentarily and then restarts in recovery mode. Fifth, if presented with an image of a broken Android with no command printed on the screen, press and hold the power button. Press the volume up button once. Then release the power button. Sixth, from the Android recovery screen, select Wipe Data, Factory Reset and select Yes. Wait for several minutes for the factory data reset process to complete. Seventh, select Reboot System Now. Allow several minutes for the factory data reset and reboot processes to complete. Lastly, set the phone up again. Still have issues with your Pixel 3 XL phone? Get professional help should the issue remain after wiping the phone. It is most probably beyond your ability to fix. As an end user, there's only so much that you can do, so be sure to contact Google or the store where you got the phone from so you can have it repaired or replaced. Check the warranty details to know the extent of your coverage. Please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.